Film me. You're the
Hi.
You're the guy back there with the Oakleys on. Ariel thinks you're cute.
Stepping those two that way.
What's your name back there?
Rob.
Rob. This is Ariel and Vicky. They're going to Cedar Point tomorrow, and I'm trying to teach them how to be safe, sunblock and everything. This is Alicia.
Fire department. How fast you guys have to get dressed?
Under a minute. We gotta be out the door. Pull those up. Go to Enterprise, rent a vet.
What do you?
See, they work.
Okay. I am. I'm on
Pitiful.
You look like a sumo wrestler.
Okay, yeah, that's station 2 right over there. Almost on a runner attack.
I do. I really
Take her
do.
down.
That's how frequently I have to call.
Yeah, that would be station
I'm
2.
slow.
Right over I know.
Well,
I
I figured that out.
And then, make sure they're
one arm in,
the
other arm in.
So station 2 windows.
There you go.
That's what I heard. I'm like,
Yeah.
how do they keep track of what's in there? Right.
I don't want no sun on me.
Nice. Here's the helmet. Hang on, we just gotta tighten this up. Gotta tighten this up a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Now red dress.
Let's tighten these up.
I know you're so hot. Are you gonna pass out?
Grab this strap right here. What do you do with your hair?
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Hold on. Where did that come from? Grab this. Good. Nice. Just the strap. There you go. Yes. Now grab this strap with this end. Oh, that would be tight.
You almost hurt a fireman with your hair.
Wow. No, you're all right. That just sent me for a little whirlwind real quick. Yes. We're gonna be fine. Just go in there with that. It's broken. Don't worry about it. All right. Cool. You look good.
Yeah.
Look
That's
at
it. Remember to work
you.
like that.
You are so cute.
Hi, Sean. I love you.
Aw,
Like,
look at little
comment and
mama.
subscribe in the link down below.
Turn around. Look at you. I'm
Oh my
going to
gosh, I
save
gotta
the
try
world.
to walk.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't fall.
You got to carry somebody too.
You get in the trucks with this on?
No, we put it on while we're going. They're in the
Drive
seats.
with it?
No, we don't drive with that. We drive with the gear, but not the air pack.
Do you want to go back to your cell like that?
Yeah, I mean,
Oh, I might need help.
can you do it without hurting yourself?
She's not even human. She's out doing.
There we go.
Do this.
It's the hair that makes it. When the hair is past that,
Oh, yeah.
when it's past it. Oh my gosh. All right. Let's help you out of this. We got to get you back to work.
You are so
Oh,
cute.
I can do it. Do this?
Yep. Yep. You still got a bottom strap, don't you? Don't you?
Oh my gosh.
Safety hat. Oh, it's a seatbelt.
It is a seatbelt.
Oh boy. Hair.
Oh.
Hair.
I can't imagine that getting caught in anything.
Oh.
Go on your.
That's a safety hazard too.
Look at that.
Then if we turn it
See?
on, there we go.
That's good to go.
Now
That'll
turn
blast.
it so exciting.
There you go.
This is our field trip, you know? We're like on a field trip.
Is he enjoying himself?
You get his permission. He is.
I'm representing health and safety.
Exactly.
Man, I sweat in this thing. I'm so sorry.
So do we. Don't worry about it.
We're sharing the sweat.
Sharing is caring,
Pass this.
right?
Right.
Right.
Trade you for this.
Aw, you didn't have to do that.
Hey, Don. Where
Are the
you go?
boots attached?
Yes. Well, they're not really attached, but you can order like this.
My Hershey kisses are melting. My Hershey kisses are melting.
Oh,
Take a bow. Take a bow. You did great. You did great.
I think you're filming it sideways.
Well, here.
No? It rotates?
How many likes is that going to get tonight?
I don't know, but I won't put it on if you don't want me to.